I tell them something real true. Fire burning in the heart for me and for you. Chalice a bubble, the herb so sweet. Every drop listen, every single beat. Oh, the chalice of fire lifts my spirit, takes me higher and higher. Smoke it deep now. Let the wisdom flow from the ancient roots. Watch the knowledge grow. Life a struggle, a constant fight, but through the smoke I see the clear light. Babylon them vex, them can't understand the power in the herb in this holy land. Oh, the chalice of fire lifts my spirit, takes me higher and higher. Smoke it deep now. Let the wisdom flow from the ancient roots. Watch the knowledge grow. To the ocean deep, secrets the chalice forever will keep. In this meditation, pure and strong, where I truly belong. Oh, the chalice of fire lifts my spirit, takes me higher and higher. Smoke it deep now. Let the wisdom flow from the ancient roots. Watch the knowledge grow. Watch the knowledge grow. The truth from the righteous side. Chant down Babylon, chant it loud. Chant feed the roots, feed the humble crowd. Fire feed the lies, them covering cloud. Chant down Babylon, make the wicked bow. Wicked man a crumble like dust in breeze. Them build them tower but ya tear the leaves. Rasta know the power when the lion sees. Chant down Babylon till the whole world free. say me poor, me not got no degree. Still the sun shines free, my brother free. Oh, these are the concrete jungle keys song. Strength in every breath, no need for false alarms. From the dust we rise, we breaking all the harm. Jah light shines bright, keeping us safe and warm. Yeah, concrete jungle key songs. Every step a rhythm, beating in our palms. Rastaman vibe flowing like a natural stream. Get on your dreams bigger than any silver screen. Now I need no riches to make my soul gleam. Just a pure heart and a positive beam. Every ghetto star a shining machine, building up the future clean and serene. Oh, these are the concrete jungle key sound. Strength in every breath, no need for false alarms. From the dust we rise, we breaking all the harm. Jah light shines bright, keeping us safe and warm. Yeah, concrete jungle key songs. Every step a rhythm, beating in our palms. In with their negativity, but our minds fly high with pure creativity. Each struggle a lesson, each hardship a key, unlocking potential for all the world to see. One love, one heart, one true destiny. United we stand for all eternity. Oh, these are the concrete jungle keys song. Strength in every breath, no need for false alarms. From the dust we rise, we breaking all the harms. Jah light shines bright, keeping us safe and warm. Yeah, concrete jungle key song. Every step a rhythm, beating in our palms. Me now question why. Say let me chant to the moon and the sun. Say let me try till the battle is won. Drum of the ancients calling me home. Rastaman rise, never stand alone. Drum of the ancients, wisdom it flow. Burn the chalice, let the knowledge grow. Drum of the ancients calling me home. Rastaman rise, never stand alone. Drum of the ancients, wisdom it flow. Burn the chalice, let the knowledge grow. Them say life a river, it twist and it turn. The fire inside me, let it blaze and burn. Roots dig deep, deeper than Babylon lies. Ganja cloud high, me reach Jaja skies. Drum beat like thunder, me heart it a quake. Me ancestors' voices, them words me partake. Selassie I wisdom, it make the blind see. The drum is the key, the drum set me free. Drum of the ancients calling me home. Rastaman rise, never stand alone. Drum of the ancients, wisdom it flows. Open the chalice, let the knowledge grow. Children rise up high. Babylon walls them tumbling down. Hear the ancestors cry. Zion trainer coming. Oh yeah, she coming true. Pure light a shining for me and for you. No more chains, we breaking free. Mind liberation key. Chant down system wickedness. Feel that sweet harmony. Zion trainer coming. Oh yeah, she coming true. Pure light a shining for me and for you. Is all we find. Guidance from the Most High. Leave the worries far behind. Zion trainer coming. Oh yeah, she coming true. Pure light a shining for me and for you.